Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and look what I have found today. I kind of stumbled up on this car. It is not for sale. It's a 1963 Pontiac Catalina with a 421. Check right here. And it's got a stick inside. See if we can open that door here. You can see that it's pretty rusty, guys. Even if it was for sale, it would just be for parts. But he's gonna pull the drivetrain out and use it on a rat rod project or something. But a lot of cool parts. Now some of the parts may come up for sale later on, but right now, as of today, nothing's for sale. Let's pop that hood, gentlemen, if you don't mind. And right here is the, check that out, tri-power, folks. Now you can tell that's the real deal. It's been sitting in there, got cobwebs on it. The valve cover's rusted out. The exhaust manifold on this side's got kind of rough looking. It's a power steering car, still has what's left of the belt on it. And you can see it's also got a power booster for the brakes. How rare is this machine right here? 1963, folks. Unfortunately, the previous owner let it sit away and rot away. It was like a tree might have fell on it. Windshield's busted. I don't know what kind of rear ends come under these cars, but I'm sure some of you guys do. You can help us out. Tail light's busted. And when they had to winch it out, they had to hook to the bumper. So that's the only way they could get it out. This finish panel on the back appears to be in nice shape. Well, I say nice shape, it ain't bent or cracked. It's pitted. You'll have to get it professionally re-chromed. But man, if anybody needs that, holy cow. This tail light here does not appear to be broken. Pitted really bad. I wonder if it's got 8 lug rims. Can't tell, I think it does. Don't think it does. Man, this would be a great drivetrain for like a 68, 69 Firebird. Oh my goodness, got the pedals. That steering column, probably worth something. Look at that, man. She's awful musky smelling in here. I hate it when these cars are allowed this. People, I swear, if you got a nice car and you're not gonna fix it, sell it.
I've never spent, I mean, I do too.
We got to put the mirror up here. 421 badge on this side. I want to appreciate this gentleman, Anthony, for letting me video this car. 1979, 6th, so that'd be June, was the last time it was inspected and registered. What do you think, folks? Ain't that a real gem? Check out the grill in this car. And the headlight surrounds. The bumper looks straight. It needs to be re-chromed. I think it does have a big hole in it. You're right. Look at that grill, though. My goodness. All right, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed that. You know, we always bringing you cool cars on the channel. We keep this hobby alive and keep it growing. They're still out here, folks. You got to do the legwork and get out and find them. So hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, hit that share button. And, you know, I'm bringing some Pontiac love to you. And this is a real rare find. It really is. I'm just amazed. 4-speed, or at least a 3-speed. We're not sure. I'll look it up. Tri-power 421. This has got NASCAR written all over it and drag racing written all over it, man. All right, folks. Bob out.